In this video, we're going to learn how to translate 5 sentences in Chinese. So let's start. Let's translate the first sentence. I drink coffee with my coworkers every day. So we start with 我每天 me every day, and we're going to use the character can to join to people or to join people. We use can for companionship, and then we're going to write 喝咖啡. So 我每天跟同事喝咖啡. I drink coffee with my coworkers every day. Now let's translate yesterday. I went to Taipei with my friend. So we're going to start with 我, which means I, and then we're going to put the time 我昨天, and we're going to use 跟. The fourth character is 跟, and 朋友 is friend. 去了. Now we use 去了. We use the last character is 了 when you want to talk about something you have completed, an action that has been completed in the past. So this is how we translate yesterday. I went to Taipei with my friend. 我昨天跟朋友去了台北. Now let's translate. Have you ever watched a movie with your family? Now I think you have been noticing the pattern, right? 我 Now it's 你跟家人看过. Now the phrase have you ever blah blah blah, we use this character 过. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th character 过. It represents the phrase have you ever. So 你跟家人看过电影. Have you ever watched a movie with your family? Now let's translate. Who did you eat lunch with? So we're going to type 你跟谁吃了 because this is something that has happened in the past. It's an action that has been completed. 吃了午餐stands for lunch. So we translated who did you eat lunch with? 你跟谁吃了午餐? Very good. Now let's move to the next one. I want to travel with my friends next year. So the character for travel is 旅行, and we will start with I, which is 我. And guess what comes next? Well, the time, so it's 我明年. 明年 stands for next year. So 我明年想跟朋友. Nice. Now let's review them. So let's start with the first one. I drink coffee with my coworkers every day. 我每天跟同事喝咖啡. And the next one, yesterday I went to Taipei with my friend. 我昨天跟朋友去了台北. And for the third sentence, it's the question actually, so I forgot to write 吗. Now let's practice it. 你跟家人看过电影吗? So I had forgotten to write the character 吗. The character 吗 is used to refer for questions. When you want to make questions, you use that character. Right? The fourth one, who did you eat lunch with? 你跟谁吃了午餐? Very good. The next one, I want to travel with my friend next year. 我明年想跟朋友旅行. Very good. If you like these kinds of tutorials, let me know down in the comments.